warm mantle rises up at the ridges, and that becomes new crust. And that's happening, let's say, in the Atlantic Ocean. So it's expanding year by year, very, very slowly. And then at the Pacific Ocean side, there are these subduction zones that then move down, and they, I guess, melt away as well.
Right.
So that's what's causing the volcanoes in those regions?
That's exactly right. People often talk about the ring of fire because there are volcanoes that arc all the way along, line almost the whole Pacific. And that is because crust is subducting, it's melting, and that fuels the volcanoes.